Today I'm making cinnamon sugar pretzels with a cream cheese dip. First I have some pizza dough on a cutting board. I'm going to cut the pizza dough into 6 pieces. Next I'm going to roll each piece into a log. Then I'm going to take each piece and twist it. Next I have a pot that I filled halfway with water, and now that it's boiling I'm slowly going to add a half a cup of baking soda. Then I'm going to add a few pretzels at a time and let it cook for 30 seconds. Now that it's been 30 seconds, I'm going to take the pretzels out and put them on a lined baking sheet and then continue doing this with the rest of the pretzels. Now that all the pretzels are done, I'm going to dip each one in cinnamon sugar and then bake this at 400 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. While the pretzels are baking, I'm going to make the cream cheese dip, so in my bowl I have 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of whipped cream cheese. Next I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of heavy cream and mix that up until it's combined. Once the pretzels were done, I put them on a plate and I put the cream cheese dip into a little bowl, and here's an up close look.